shoulder right there.
Oh my God. That has never happened before. That is insane.
Thank you so much.
You're welcome. Deep breath in, blow it all the way out.
Oh shit.
Just stay back, relax. Keep breathing. Put it out. Wide open.
Don't listen to me.
There we go. She's coming.
He tells me all the time, and I'm like, I don't want to hear from you.
I could get to say things that you can't say.
Yeah.
She's going, okay. That's good power. Have a little power, a little bit. She's coming they're coming all the way from Massachusetts. They're coming from to get adjusted. Never been adjusted before. Are you nervous?
Yes.
Very.
I make women nervous. Alright, you ready?
Alright,
You got no choice, you came all this way.
Yeah.
Put your face down right there, put your hands down on those bars in front of you. Face in the paper, hands on the bars there. Gotta look at that sacrum where you sit all day. Tailbone at the bottom, hip bones lock in, sacrum is a diamond shaped bone. This gets a lot of tension. This is tight on that left side. This was meant to move, gets compressed, no good. So we're starting on that side. Good. Turn to this side, face me. You're gonna line your left side, bring that left arm over. Drop that head all the way back. Get that leg up towards you. Get that one right there. Slide a little here towards me. Right here and here. Nice and relaxed. Relax, you okay?
Alright.
Take a deep breath in. Blow it all the way out.
Oh
Good.
shit.
Okay.
Oh yeah.
Yeah.
Other side. Slide a little towards me. I'm gonna leave that right. Straighten this bottom leg out. Get this one here. Got you right there. Good. See, you're tight all the way through. Take a nice deep breath in. Blow it all the way out.
Oh shit.
Excellent.
Alright.
Yes.
When you're done here, Doc, you're going to room 1.
Excellent. You're gonna put your back against that pad.
I heard her.
No, you can't. Well, you gotta be careful.
Yeah, no, I stopped.
Nothing wrong with self-adjusting and stuff like that. But you gotta be careful. But you're not gonna get it. It's gonna, I've been doing this for over 20 years. I've
Yeah.
adjusted thousands and thousands and thousands of people. It looks simple. When you see the videos, it looks simple, but it's not.
No.
And if you don't know what you're doing, that's when you can hurt somebody. Tuck that chin. Then take a nice... Take a nice deep breath all the way in. Let it all the way out. Relax. Drop those arms. She sits too long. Compressed. Tension. See the breathing change?
Yes.
It's the best. You can actually feel like you get a deep breath all the way in, all the way out. That's awesome. You still scared?
I don't know what's next.
A little nervous.
I was born in the Bronx, though. So,
We're in the Bronx.
I don't know.
I don't know. Hang those arms over. When did you leave?
I
You were
left,
young?
I left when I was 5.
Oh, you don't remember.
My family's still in the Bronx, though.
Gotcha.
So.
Gotta get that base of the skull. See how tight? This is tight right here. Not good. From sitting all day, looking down at the computer, looking down at the phone. Drop that shoulder right there.
Oh my God. That has never happened before. That is insane.
Thank you so much.
You're welcome. How's that feel? How much pain was that?
I don't even know.
Awesome, Doc. Oh, man.
This is
I've
great.
never felt like this before.
Good. Drop that head back. It's tight. Look at that on the table. We need more. Drop that here. Good. See, breathing, this is... So one thing, people don't realize that they're breathing at a suboptimal level. There's no big sign or symptom. One of the biggest signs that you know is at the end of your day, like we talked about, sitting 8 hours and you're tired at the end of your day. It means you're not breathing correctly.
Oh. Oh my God.
Okay.
Yeah.
She's just like, what? Come on, your back, face up. Oh my God, too funny. Give me those hands. You're gonna stretch, deep breathe, all the way down to your lungs, expand that belly out. Keep breathing. Stay open. Shoulders, clavicles, sternum, and ribs. Good.
Oh shit.
Lift up that head. Gonna decompress. We're gonna make you taller. Take a nice deep breath in. Blow it all the way out.
Oh shit.
Just stay back. Relax. Keep breathing. Put it out. Wide open.
How do you feel? Speechless then? Damn.
I don't know how I feel. Amazing.
That's awesome. Now let's get those
I feel like
ankles.
I'm in heaven.
Would you say like in heaven? There you go. Someone once said to me, is this, I wonder if this is like when we die. You feel? I'm like, well,
I hope so.
I hope so. I want to be at peace. Yo.
Hey.
Yeah, we're almost done. I feel
So much better.
awesome. And this is what you were afraid of. You were so scared before.
Yes.
I've never felt like this before.
Awesome, because all
Yeah.
that pressure, tension, and stress is gone right now from your body. You're not crooked, you're not slumped over, you're not compressed. Everything is upright. Your brain and nervous system are functioning at almost 100% level right now. It'll come back. It's never a one-time shot. This is just the beginning. Show you postures and stretches. Gotta follow up adjustments too. I know you're coming all the way from Massachusetts. She's coming from. Okay, that's awesome. That's awesome. Good for you. Never be afraid to get adjusted. Boom.
Excellent.
Thank you so much.
You're very welcome.
Oh my gosh.
She's still like, she's like, what the hell happened?
I have no idea.